like to recite the Holy Quran. For that, I would like to call Afzal Suhail. Brother Afzal Suhail, please come on the podium to share some verses from the Holy Quran.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى.
Jazakallah. What a beautiful recitation, isn't it? Yes? I know it's quite, sunlight is it hard over on you? Never. No. Okay. I just want to make everybody comfortable because I can see some ladies are standing, so they can come and have a seat over here. We have a few chairs over here, if you would like to, please. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we are now blessed to invite a beautiful voice of devotion, Brother Mohsin Shaukat Ali, who will present a heartfelt naat in praise of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him.
शुक्रगुजार हुसैन फाउंडेशन की मेम्बरान पर नात की निशार पेश करता हूँ। रखे जो नकीरें तकाज़ा मेरे आगे सरकार तो आलम का चेहरा मेरे आगे रखी जो नकीरें रखी जो नकीरें हसनैन के नाना से मुझे भीख मिली है। हसनैन के नाना से मुझे भीख मिली है। सुल्तान भी कर देते हैं कासा मेरे आगे रखे जो नकीरें अब काबे की तरफ महवे सफर हूँ। मक्का मेरे पीछे है मदीना मेरे आगे।
Now, before I invited another guest, I would like to tell you that we have the whole program and we have more speakers, but we would do the flag raising a little earlier and then we can carry on with our program. Okay, so it is now my distinct honor to welcome a leader who has consistently championed community service, cultural diversity and civic engagement in our city. Under his leadership, Brampton continues to thrive as one of the Canada's most vibrant and inclusive communities. Please join me in giving a warm Brampton welcome to the Mayor of Brampton, Mayor Patrick Brown. I want 3-second loud clap for him. 1, 2, and 3. Welcome Mayor Patrick Brown.
And if I could ask Councillor Paleshi and Councillor Brar to join me as we celebrate Hussein Day in the city of Brampton, a time of remembrance and reflection. and to Syed and everyone involved, the Hussein Foundation, and organizing today's flag raising. Thank you for being here. Syed, I know when you reached out to me initially about this flag raising, we realized that no big city in Canada had a flag raising. And I'm proud to say Brampton is the first. And it speaks to the fact that we are fiercely proud of our multicultural mosaic. We are a mosaic of faiths. And Canada is built upon the premise of religious freedom. And in this city, we want to not run away from that, not shy away from it, but be proud of it. Learn about each other, the stronger we are. And this is an opportunity today to learn about Hussein Day. For those that don't know about Hussein Day, to understand why this is such an important day of reflection and remembrance. And we can't take religious freedom for granted. You know, we are at a time around the world where religious rights are being trampled. Frankly, even in Canada. You look in Quebec right now where they passed Bill 21 that prohibits any articles of faith to be worn if you're a government worker, if you're in a public place. So the hijab, the turban, articles of faith that are proudly celebrated for faith communities across the country. In the province next to us, they're being prohibited. If you want to be a police officer, a teacher, any civil servant, it's an attack on our core values. And it's why I think we should be more proud and more passionate about defending religious freedom. Because a Canadian is a Canadian is a Canadian, and we should be proud of that. And Hussein Day is an opportunity to say, be proud of your faith. No matter what your faith is, be proud of your faith. Because faith is a force of goodness in society and goodness in our community. So today we proudly raise this flag. I mentioned to my friend Syed that I wish I could be here for the whole celebration, but we had a tragedy this week. And we had an officer, a police officer from Brampton, who lost his life. He had volunteered for extra work, and he lost his life in the line of duty. Constable Taran Ballard, and the family asked if I'd go to the visitation this afternoon, and so I'm paying respects on behalf of our city on that very painful loss. But I didn't want to miss this event, and so I'm here, and then I'm going to race to the visitation, but just to say we're so proud to have Hussein Day in the city of Brampton. And thank you to Councillor Brar and Councillor Paleshi, who when they heard about this initiative, Syed, they're the first to say, fantastic idea, I'm going to be there, I'm going to mark it on my calendars. And of course, Urs here has supported this as well. Thank you, Urs. And Councillor Power, where's Councillor Power? He's on route areas. Councillor Power, come up here, Rod. Rod is the best dressed councillor today. He's got a jacket on. Syed, normally it's my duty to raise the flag, but I'd almost say I'd like the organizers to join us in raising the flag as it flies above and next to Brampton City Hall.
Vishal Khanna, the Sir Monk, Prabhat Singh Balla, and the executive committee only, the one on the red jacket, please join them. And the rest can kindly be seated so we can capture it in the camera. The rest needs to be kindly be seated.
For the community, believing in to always fight for human rights issues and that freedom for religion rights. When we look around, the city of Brampton is such a diverse city of Brampton, and seeing all of you here today makes me so proud of what we have achieved so far. So I just want to say thank you again, and Councillor Power may want to say a couple words, but I just want to say really thank you so much again.
At a time when our world needs more compassion and understanding, we are grateful to be joined by a spiritual leader whose teaching inspire peace, kindness, and harmony. Please give a warm welcome to Monk Bante Sarantalla.
Good. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Reza and the team, for inviting me to attend Imam Hussain flag raising ceremony today. I'm Bhante Saranapala, known as the Urban Buddhist Monk, founder and president of Canada. These principles inspire us to build bridges of friendship, promote peaceful coexistence, and work collectively for the well-being of all. Through education, community engagement, service projects, and interfaith collaboration, we can nurture a culture of kindness and social responsibility that benefits
Beautiful words and thoughts. So now I would like to call somebody, basically MP of Brampton Central, Amandeep Sodhi is in Ottawa, but she would like to send us a token of love, of appreciation in form of a certificate. So somebody is here to present the certificate to Syed Nisam Raza, the founder of Hussain Foundation. Please come on the stage. Brother Abbas Akbari, he needs no introduction, okay? So he brings with him words filled with love, faith and inspiration. Please welcome him with a warm round of applause and a loud salawat. Allah.
बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you so much everyone. मैं भी सिर्फ 2-3 अशार का जवाब दूंगा इंशाल्लाह.
कहाँ से लाएगी दुनिया हुसैन के जैसा, कहाँ से लाएगी दुनिया हुसैन के जैसा. फकत हुसैन मिलेगा हुसैन के जैसा, कहाँ से लाएगी दुनिया हुसैन के जैसा.
Allah, what a beautiful voice. Our next speaker is a respected community leader known for his commitment to community service and interfaith harmony. Please welcome Dr. Pragat Singh Bhalla. The podium is yours, Doctor. Give him a big round of applause.
My heartfelt thanks to the energetic team and respected President, Hussain Foundation. Also my deep appreciation to Honorable Mayor of Brampton City, Mr. Patrick Brown, and Brampton City Council to host a remarkable event in celebration of Imam Hussain flag raising ceremony. Honored to recognize and acknowledge the sacrifice of our beloved Imam Hussain, who played a significant role and stood firmly against oppression and injustice in order to defend the truth, worship of God, fundamental human rights, and the moral values of a common man in the common street.
Beautiful words and thoughts you shared, brother. Now, I would like to welcome somebody who has a blessed voice. from Calgary. So I would like to welcome Sayyid Askari Abbas Rizvi to share a beautiful mankabat with us. Jazakallah khair.
आ चुका है अल्लाह अल्लाह तेरा सजदा ऐ शबीह मुस्तफा अल्लाह अल्लाह तेरा सजदा ऐ शबीह मुस्तफा जैसे खुद जाते पैगंबर हो बहू सजदे में है जैसे खुद जाते पैगंबर हो बहू सजदे में है कौन जाने कौन समझे कौन समझाए नसीर.
But we looking to follow that and become next Imam Hussain. Is anybody ready? Leave yourself, your families, dignity and respect what you would get and sacrifice and bring people together. How many of you are really looking forward to be that? Celebration is not all about it. Celebration means that we are here to understand the values given to us today. We got a great master who could have easily lived his life peacefully, happily. He knew that faith would become, the master is not, the king is not the right man to be supporting him. Otherwise I'll put everybody in the same situation.
Today, as people from different backgrounds and faith traditions gather under one flag and one community spirit, we celebrate those very values: peace, friendship, mutual respect, service to humanity, and unity. I would like to welcome MPP Deepak Anand to share a few words with us. Jazakallah. Give him a big round of applause.
I love when Baji says, give him a big round of applause, and then half of you don't even applaud. So nobody will be applauding Baji for this. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Deepak Anand, and it's very difficult to speak after Vishal Bhai. Maybe they put me in a purposefully. It's good to see all the community leaders, leaders from the faith. Vishal Bhai, you talked about having Imam Hussain. We don't need another Imam Hussain because God is in our heart. Hussain is in our heart. What we need is to follow the teachings and the preachings and the work Imam Hussain left for us. And that is being done by these wonderful people. The Hussain Foundation, all of you being here. My brother Shahid Mughal is always there serving the community. So these are the things which we need
To welcome a devoted poet, a writer of 14 books for Ahl al-Bayt alayhi salam, Sayyid Zafar Abbas Zafar, a soulful voice whose poetry reflects deep love for Imam Ali alayhi salam and the Ahl Bayt alayhi salam. Through his word, he beautifully expressed faith, devotion, and spiritual connection. Please welcome him with a loud salawat.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम. मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ हुसैन फाउंडेशन के रूह रवा मीसम रजा जिनकी वजह से मैं इस इबादत में शामिल हो रहा हूँ और अपने महदूद वक्त में इंशाअल्लाह अपनी इबादत मुकम्मल करूँगा. हुसैन काफी है, ना ढूंढ कोई सहारा. हुसैन काफी है, हुसैन काफी है, खुदाए पाक का प्यारा. हुसैन काफी है, हुसैन काफी है. मुनाफिकीन का तर्ज़े हयात छोड़ दिया, यजीद जैसे लाइनों का साथ छोड़ दिया. यजीद जैसे लाइनों का साथ छोड़ दिया, ज़मीर हुर ये पुकारा, हुसैन काफी है, हुसैन काफी है, पुकारा, हुसैन काफी है। हमें जो हजरत अब्बास से मिला है अलो, ब्रैम्पटन के सिटी हॉल पर सजा है अलो, ब्रैम्पटन के सिटी हॉल पर सजा है अलम, खुद इस अलम ने पुकारा, हुसैन काफी है। जो आज कहते हैं हम भी हुसैन वाले हैं, जो आज कहते हैं हम भी हुसैन वाले हैं, दिलों में इनके अंधेरे नहीं उजाले हैं, दिलों में इनके अंधेरे नहीं उजाले हैं, है बाज़मीरों का नारा, हुसैन काफी है। जज़ाकल्लाह।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन व बिही नस्तईन। सलातु वस्सलामु अला खैरि खल्क़िही व अशरफिल बरियते सय्यदना व मौलाना हबीब क़ुलूबिना व तबीब नुफूसिना बिल क़ासिमिल मुस्तफ़ा मुहम्मद तय्यबीन ताहिरीन अल-मासूमीन अल-मज़लूमीन अल-मुंतजबीन ला सियमा बक़ियतिल्लाहि फ़िल अर्ज़ीन लानतुल्लाहि अला अदाइहिम अजमईन। First of all, thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Almighty Lord, for giving us this amazing opportunity under the name of Hussain Foundation. Brother Misam, with all his devotion, sincerity and hard work, he never forgets Imam Hussain. Imam Hussain Foundation and the city of Brampton has been honored right now to become the part of the great success, sacrifice and the movement of Imam Hussain from Karbala till now. So I sincerely like to say a few thankful words and thank you for city of Brampton. Thank you to the province of Ontario of the option of signing the deal with the government. Imam Hussain gave him the courage. South Africans owe it to Imam Hussain. The freedom, they owe it to Imam Hussain. Otherwise, they would have been still under the tyranny of the Yazid of that time. Yazid had offered Imam Hussain so many things. But Imam Hussein's sentences were amazing, written by gold. Should be written by gold. Imam said, the one who is like me can never bow someone like you. मुझ जैसा से कह दो उस जैसे की बैत नहीं कर सकते. Mahatma Gandhi, what he said, I learned to stand against the tyrants of my time through the courage of Imam Hussain.
At Mamdani campaign, a very promising young person. So can we just give her a round of applause, just standing over there? A 3-second one, for being so young and standing for the mayor. 1, 2, 3, because we need to appreciate our young talent.
Respected dignitaries, elected officials, community leaders, and honored guests. Today, as we raise the flag of Imam Hussain, we are not simply raising a symbol. We are honoring a timeless message of justice, sacrifice, compassion, and human dignity. More than 1400 years ago, Imam Hussain stood against oppression and injustice in Karbala through his courage and unwavering commitment to truth. He taught humanity that principle and justice are worth defending, even in the face of the greatest hardship. His message continues to inspire millions of people, all faiths, all backgrounds, and around the globe. This ceremony served as a reminder that the values of Imam Hussain stood for peace, unity, equality, freedom, and services to humanity remain are relevant today as ever. Through this flag, we celebrate diversity, build community bonds, and promote mutual understanding and respect among all people. On behalf of the Hussain Foundation, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the City of Brampton, our distinguished guests, volunteers, sponsors, media partners for joining us and supporting this meaningful event.
Put it up by Imam Zamana Center and other organization to come over for our event, which is Masumeen Center, Babul Hawaij, Babul Ilm, Ali Islamic Mission, Dar-e Abbas, JCC. And we are thankful for Mehboob Sheikh from Dunya TV, Pakistan, Tariq Canada, Farooq Abbas from Heather TV, and all the members of Hussain Foundation, Sabir Gaya from Toronto 360, Laila Kazmi from Kazmi Images, and Sabra Qasim from Who is Hussain Foundation. Few of them to say a few liners, but I'm very sorry we are about to end the program. And a sincere thank you from my side and from the whole team side to all of you. And we are going to say thank you with a loud salawat and the art gallery people too. A loud salawat from our side for all the people who come over for this program. Allah Muhammad